It's a 2018 Audi S5 Sportback. When you look this good, it's hard not to be confident. When you perform like this, it's downright impossible. 2018 is the first year of a complete redesign that keeps the S5 moving forward. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop start feature, express open and close tilting sunroof, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, front heated sport seats, Audi smartphone interface, and intercooled turbo V6 engine. New Car Test Drive calls it a grand touring car designed to cover lots of ground at high speed while coddling a pair of occupants. They seat 2+2. The rear seats are for the occasional adult passengers or for bringing small kids along. It has a body that doesn't quit and an engine that can easily keep up. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.